What's up, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lauren and I am so excited that you came across this video today. As always, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below to stay up to date with all of my videos. It would truly mean the world to me. I'm sure you can tell by the title of today's video, but I am doing the part 2 version of my New York City apartment hunting journey. I have been looking for an apartment in New York City for the past couple of weeks. If you haven't already checked out my part 1 video, I will link it down below and up above. I would definitely recommend checking that out because I go into more detail about where we are looking, what types of buildings we're looking for, and some of the things that we would like to have in our apartment, some of the things we're looking for. So I would definitely recommend checking that video out if you haven't already. But this video will be all about my second trip into New York City looking at apartments. I looked only at one building this time, but I did look at 4 different units. The first unit is a studio apartment and the other 3 are 1-bedroom apartments. We are looking, I do have a roommate, so we are looking for either a 2-bedroom or a 2-bedroom flex unit. If you are unsure what a flex unit is, it is when you put up a temporary wall in a unit to make an additional bedroom. So we would be looking for a 1-bedroom, put up a wall to make it a 2-bedroom. The reason I looked at the studio was because it was available to look at, and so I figured that I would film it and show you guys as well. And so I'm just gonna get right into the video. If you want to hear more about the things that I'm looking for, again, I would check out the part 1 video, but this one's just gonna be a quicker version and it's gonna be more about the apartments. So let's just get right into it. So this first apartment is a studio apartment. For your reference, I started at the front door. So when you first walk in, that is the front door, and then I pan around. To the right is a big walk-in closet, which was very nice. It gave a lot of closet space. And then you have the bathroom right next to it. Big mirrors. There's also a storage cabinet mirror, which I didn't show. And then you have right in front of the door is the kitchen, full-size appliances, washer, dishwasher, refrigerator, and then this is the main living area of the apartment. This is another closet, which gives a lot of closet space, and then you have really big and bright windows, which lets in a lot of natural lighting. Again, you have the kitchen here. You can put some bar stools at the end, and then there's also a microwave and a stove. And that is it for that apartment. It was a really nice studio apartment. I felt, at least, it felt really spacious. It felt like you can put a nice size living room area and also a nice size bedroom area. The kitchen was also very nice, and then you had the bathroom and you had 2 nice sized closets. So those were really nice additions to the unit. Gives you a lot of closet space. This second unit is a 1-bedroom that you can potentially flex into a 2-bedroom. It was a bit tiny, so we didn't ultimately decide to go with this option because it wouldn't be, it wouldn't allow you to have 2 bedrooms and a living room space. But this is the next apartment. I started at the door. When you walk in, you have the kitchen. Again, same style layout. This is the living room area. First you go to the left and you have a nice closet right next to the door. Again, the living room area with nice bright windows, and this is the bedroom with the same size windows. Lets in a lot of natural light. You also have a closet. I also wasn't too fond on the carpeting. And then you have the bathroom right next to the bedroom. Again, same bathroom as the other unit. You then pan around. This is again the kitchen, same layout, just different style appliances. It's the white appliances instead of the gray appliances. The unit, as you can see, was smaller, and so it's really hard to fit a flex bedroom in there, but it's totally possible. You would just have a very small living space. You then have the third unit. This was also a 1 bedroom. This one gave you a little bit more flexibility with the flexing options, but it still would have allowed for a really, really small living space. But again, I started at the front door. This is the front door to the unit, and right next to it to the left is the kitchen with, again, the gray appliances, dishwasher, refrigerator. This is the living space where you would put a flex wall. And then you have the hallway. So to the right is a nice size closet. And then to the back is a bathroom. I didn't turn on the light, that's why it's dark. And then you have the bedroom. So the bedroom has a nice size closet in it as well. And then if you saw in the living space, I know I went through it pretty quickly, but it has very, very nice windows and a lot of natural lighting. Unfortunately, if you put a flex room in there, it does take away a lot of the lighting to the living room, but it does give the person in the bedroom a lot of lighting. So that was also an option that we considered, but ultimately didn't decide to take. And then we have the last unit. So the last unit is also a 1 bedroom. This one was a better unit for a flex, but it still didn't leave a lot of living space. But I would say that these units are great 1 bedrooms. And so if you were looking for a 1 bedroom, these units would be perfect. If I was looking for a 1 bedroom, I definitely probably would have taken one of these units, especially the building was super nice. It had a lot of amenities in it, a gym, a rooftop, and things like that. So this was a great building. So again, I started at the front door. You then pan around and you see the kitchen and the living room space, nice floor-to-ceiling windows, and then you have the bathroom right to the right. The bathroom is the same as every single other bathroom that I showed in this building. The kitchen was nice and it had a window in the kitchen, full-size appliances or semi-full-size appliances, the living area or the flex bedroom, and then you have the first bedroom or the second bedroom, depending on if you flex it, had a huge walk-in closet, which was super nice. And then this is sort of like the foyer area if you wanted to put a dining room table, if you so choose, or you can also do the bar stools at the counter. And so that is the last unit I'm going to show you guys. I am looking at more apartments, so I will have a part 3 to this video, so be sure to check that out when it's up. But in all, these were really great units, a really great building, but it just didn't give us the type of living space we were looking for. But I think that if you're looking for a 1 bedroom, it would definitely give you a better living space option. Also, they do have a unit in this building, but unfortunately it was occupied, so I couldn't see it. That did allow for a nice size flex room and a decent size like a den area is what they call it. So you have a den and a room, which would definitely be the best option if we decide to go for this building, but they don't have any of those units currently available. But in total, I was really happy with the units that we saw. And if you made it to the end of this video, I truly appreciate that, and I appreciate you. Again, I will link the part 1 and part 2 of the, no, this is part 2. I will link the part 1 of this video in the description box down below, and get ready for part 3. This is part 2. Part 3 should be coming out next week, and hopefully we have found our apartment by then. So thank you guys for watching till the end. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.